Hello and welcome to the preview of my online course Introduction to Azure SQL Database. My name is Artemakis Artemiou and I'll be your instructor in this course. In this course, you will learn what is Azure Portal and how to use it. Also, you will learn how to create and configure your first database on Azure SQL Database. Then we're going to talk about how to configure firewall rules in Azure. Moreover, you will learn how to access your Azure SQL Database from on-premises clients such as SQL Server Management Studio and Azure Data Studio. Also, you will learn how to manage your Azure SQL Database Server and how to create and configure an Azure SQL Server virtual machine. Moreover, you will learn how to access your Azure SQL Server virtual machine using RDP, SSMS, and Azure Data Studio from on-premises. A few words about me. I'm a senior SQL Server and software architect. I have over 15 years of experience with SQL Server.NET and related technologies. I have been a Microsoft Data Platform MVP for 9 years. I'm a professional author and speaker, certified SQL Server engineer, and founder of SQL NetHub. Now about the course requirements. The course requires basic knowledge of SQL Server and databases, and of course the willingness and excitement to learn something new and interesting, such as Azure SQL Database. About the structure of the course consists of lectures, demos, and a practice test in the end. Moreover, in the end of each section, there are quizzes that will help you test what you have learned in that section. After the course, you will be able to navigate in Azure Portal and create, manage, and use services comfortably. Also, you will be able to create and configure your first Azure SQL Database Server and database, that is Platform as a Service. Moreover, you will be able to configure firewall settings as well as access your Azure SQL Database using your on-premises SQL Server Management Studio and Azure Data Studio. In addition to all that, you will be able to manage your Azure SQL Database Server, create and configure Azure SQL Server virtual machines, as well as you will be able to connect your Azure SQL Server virtual machine from on-premises via RDP, SQL Server Management Studio, and Azure Data Studio. Thank you very much for previewing my course. Feel free to check the course description, and I'm really looking forward to see you inside the course.